Print envelopes in macOS for HP printers. Want to print envelopes from your Mac? We'll show you how in just a couple minutes, so you can start printing. To avoid jams, don't print envelopes with clasps, windows, shiny surfaces, or coated linings. If you have an HP LaserJet printer, don't print envelopes with adhesives or other heat-sensitive materials. First, load your envelopes into the input tray. Always load them with the flap to the left. If your printer has a top-rear tray, load the envelopes front face up. Slide the paper guides until they touch the envelope edges. If you have an inkjet printer with a front tray, load the envelopes front face down. Slide the paper guides until they touch the envelope edges. If you have a LaserJet printer with a front tray, load the envelopes front face up. Slide the paper guides until they touch the envelope edges. On your Mac, open the Contacts app. If you want to print your return address, select your card and make sure the address fields are filled out. Select the contact you want to print as the recipient. Make sure the contact address fields are filled out. Select File. Then select Print. Select your printer. Under Contacts in the Layout tab, select your envelope size. Select the Label tab. Then select Print My Address if you want to print your return address. Select the Orientation tab. Then select the Landscape option. If you want to save the settings for future print jobs, select the Presets menu. Then select Save Current Settings as Preset. Select Print.